I love how all these non-lawyers and non-CPAs jump on social media and tell you to put everything in a trust and then disable stitching and duets so that you can't actually call them out on their terrible advice that will likely get you thrown in jail or at least a good tax evasion charge. So the story goes that if you own nothing and everything is owned by your trust, then you only get taxed on what's left. So they give the example, you make $1 million, you pay income tax, and then you use the post-tax money to pay all of your expenses. But if you take all of your assets and you put them into this magical trust that they can't seem to explain, then your house payment and your utilities and your car payment and your gas and your car insurance automatically become non-taxable because they're owned by the trust and the trust needs to take care of its assets. So you pay out of your $1 million all of your money to cover all of your household daily expenses that are absolutely personal in nature and not business related, and then you only get taxed on what's left. This is complete bullshit. But everybody on the internet gets very excited. I want one of these trusts, and you got to set me up with these, and how can I get these, and how do they work? And then I think it's like today's version of clickbait is to tell you tax-saving strategies and asset protection strategies that are completely false, completely not appropriate to give advice, and then you get all the sheep out there that try to run with it and believe that if they set up a trust and put everything in the trust that they don't have to pay any personal income taxes on anything that is owned by the trust. This is absolutely wrong. And if it's a personal expense, I don't care if it's in a trust or an LLC or a C Corp or an S Corp or a partnership or anything else. If it is a personal expense, then you are going to pay tax on it. It is not a business expense, and it's not a magical write-off just because your asset is owned by the trust. So, influencers, stop giving advice on shit that you don't know what you're talking about. You're confusing people, and you're dangerous. So, stop it. Have a good day.